Hello everyone. Are you looking for an easy way of trading and investing in cryptocurrency? Or maybe you're already trading and trying to find an easy way. We have a proposition for all of you. First, let's talk about cryptocurrency arbitrage. It's not full-time employment, but employment that brings good value. After all, arbitration is not just buy cheaper, sell for profit. It's a way of thinking aimed at assessing the value of an asset and demand for it. It happens when a coin is bought or sold in large volume on one exchange while moving the price. On this exchange, the price of a coin differs from the price on other exchanges. On another exchange, the activity of transactions with the same coin may be lower, because of that which there is a difference, which is profit. It remains only to wait and watch when somewhere the price starts to change dramatically, and there will be an opportunity to trade. And who said that it can't be optimized? Here is a widget that compares cryptocurrency prices on the most popular exchanges, Binance and Kraken. This widget includes real-time monitoring charts for all pairs listed on the exchange that compare Kraken and Binance. Track the price difference between exchanges. Receive notifications about a sharp jump in one exchange relative to another.